Are you prepared to take your blogging to a whole new level? The right video kit can make all the difference, whether you're just starting out or want to improve what you already have. The right setting makes every part of your content better, from the clear sound to the perfect images. In this video, we will look at the 6 best vlogging kits for all types of creators. Number 6, Movo iVlogger Vlogging Kit. The Movo iVlogger Vlogging Kit is designed to help content makers improve their iPhone vlogging setup. This complete kit comes with a high-quality shotgun microphone for clear sound, an ultra-bright LED light for great lighting, and a movable tripod for steady video recording. It comes with an MFI-certified lightning adapter for iPhone models up to iPhone 14, and there is a different adapter for iPhone 15 that can be used with the first one. The kit is great for recording videos, podcasts, and vlogs. This kit is made to be easy to use. It comes with a rechargeable LED with 3 brightness settings, a flexible rail mount bracket, and all the cables you need to set it up right away. It doesn't matter if you like to blog, live stream, or make videos for YouTube and TikTok, the Movo iVlogger Kit has everything you need. Number 5, ULANZI Vlogging Kit. With the ULANZI Smartphone Vlogging Kit, you can turn your phone into a professional vlogging kit. This complete set comes with a selfie stick tripod that can be rotated 360 degrees and extended up to 10.6 inches, giving you the best shooting views for any scene. The phone holder can be adjusted to fit a variety of smartphones and comes with a cold shoe mount for adding mics or lights. The kit's crown jewel is an LED light that can be dimmed and has 5 levels of brightness. This gives your videos high-quality lighting, making them perfect for YouTube, TikTok, live streaming, and trip vlogging. Number 4, Canon EOS R50 Kit. With its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is a powerful mirrorless camera for vlogging. It can make clear, high-resolution photos and uncut 4K movies at 30 frames per second. It has dual pixel CMOS AF2 and 651 autofocus zones that cover a full 100% x 100% frame. This makes sure that it can focus and track a wide range of objects accurately. The kit comes with the RFS 1845mm lens, a stereo microphone, a tripod grip, and a wireless remote control. This makes it perfect for content makers who want to make content that looks like it was made by professionals. Its small and light size also makes it great for shooting while you're on the go, so you never miss a moment. If you want to buy these products, go to the links provided in the description and easily make your purchase. Number 3, Rode Vlogger Kit. This Rode Video Micro Vlogger Kit has a directional microphone that cuts down on background noise so you can record clear audio when you're blogging or streaming on your phone. It comes with a micro LED light that works for more than 4 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long shooting sessions. A 3-position tripod that can be used by hand or fixed is included in the kit, along with a gimbal tripod head for precise camera positioning. It also has a dual cold shoe mount for attaching extra accessories and an all-metal mount with rubberized grips that can safely hold phones that are 65mm to 85mm wide. Number 2, EACHSHOT Vlogging Kit. With the EACHSHOT microphone kit for iPhone and Android, you can take better mobile videos with a professional cardioid microphone and shock mount that shields and blocks out background noise. This kit is made to safely hold smartphones that are between 54mm and 95mm wide, so it works with iPhones, Samsung phones, Huawei phones, and more. It comes with a strong CNC-made phone holder that can be rotated and works in both portrait and landscape modes. The setup also has 1/4 inches external ports and a hot shoe mount on both the top and bottom, so it can be attached to tripods and used to mount extra video gear. This makes it great for filmmakers, journalists, and content creators. Number 1, Comica Vlogging Kit. The Comica CVM VM10K2 is a complete smartphone microphone kit made to improve your mobile filming. It's great for live streaming, vlogging, and YouTube videos. This all-in-one kit comes with a high-quality cardioid microphone that records clear sound while cutting down on background noise. It also comes with a flexible tripod that can be used to shoot from different angles. It comes with a shock mount, a furry windshield, TRS cords, and a durable carrying case so you can film on the go. It works with all smartphones that have a 3.5mm audio jack. This kit helps your creative projects with great sound and ease of use, whether you're a writer, vlogger, or traveler. Ready to improve your vlogging? The correct vlogging kit may boost content quality with excellent audio and perfect lighting. This video covers the top 6 vlogging kits for producers of all kinds. Each kit has its own benefits, from the Movo iVlogger Vlogging Kit for iPhone vloggers to the Canon EOS R50 Kit for high-quality mobile productions. We'll also discuss the ULANZI Smartphone Vlogging Kit for mobile adaptability, the RotiVlogger Kit for precise audio capture, the EACHSHOT Microphone Kit for Android and iPhone users, and the Comica VM10K2 for full mobile filming. These kits allow you to create professional, entertaining content regardless of your setup or skill level. Please subscribe, share, and comment as we discuss these top vlogging tips.